Very good day guys, welcome back. Today in this video series we are going to talk about the histology of the cartilages. So as we know, there are the three types of the cartilages in human being. The one is the hyaline cartilage, other is the elastic cartilage, and the third is the fibrocartilage. So you can see here I have focused on the microscope under the low power the elastic cartilage. So here elastic cartilage is very small, very similar to the hyaline cartilage. Okay, the only difference is that it is consisting of an abundant network of the fine elastic fibers along with the collagen type 2 fibers. Okay, so whenever we are removing the elastic cartilage freshly from any dissection from the body, then the color of this is yellowish. Okay, so that is due to the imparted by the elastin in the elastic fibers. Therefore, it is also known as the yellow elastic cartilage. So here you can see the elastic cartilage is basically it is taken from the epiglottis. So you can see here these are the cartilaginous cells seen. Okay, and it is not homogeneous like hyaline cartilage because it is also having the elastic fibers. So there is no difference between the refractive index. Therefore, we can differentiate. Okay, so it means it is not non-homogeneous. And you can see on the either side of the cartilage there are the perichondrium on this side also and on the this side. Okay. So distribution in the elastic cartilage is very similar to the hyaline cartilage. So this special staining for the elastic fibers is showing that is filled with the materials and it is giving the more flexibility to this form of the cartilage. Here you can see this. The material inside the elastic materials or elastic fibers are giving more flexibility in between the lacunae of the chondrocytes, right? So you can see here also the arrangement of the chondrocyte are similar like that in the hyaline cartilage. So here you can see there are the lacunae and inside the lacunae you can see there are the 2 to 4 groups of the cells are present very clearly. Okay, and the perichondrium is also having the same arrangement like hyaline cartilage, having the outer layer which is the vascular, okay, and the fibrous, and inner is the having the chondroblast. So as it is the epiglottis, so epiglottis is covered by the mucous membrane. So you can see the mucous membrane on either side of on both the surface of the cartilage, and it is formed by the main core of the elastic cartilage. So this elastic cartilage is mainly found in gradually continuously with the hyaline cartilage, like it is also possessing the perichondrium as already seen. And elastic cartilage is mainly found in the auricles of the ear, that is ear pinna, the external auditory canal, the auditory tubes, that is the eustachian tube, epiglottis, this is the slide of the epiglottis already, and the cuneiform cartilage in the larynx. Okay, so these are the few examples of the elastic cartilage. Okay guys, so we will see this under the high power also. I will focus on. So you can see here the lacunae having the constricted chondrocytes inside them. Lacuna means empty space around the cell or between the cell and the surrounding matrix. Okay, and this is perichondrium. So you can easily differentiate the perichondrium from the rest of the cartilage due to the different types of the collagen fibers. So as we know, perichondrium in the collagen having the type 1 collagen fibers, right? Having the outer fibrous or vascular layer and inner cellular layer. Okay guys, so this was all about the elastic cartilage. Okay, so thank you very much for listening and your patience. We'll meet again in next video like this. Till then, thank you very much. Goodbye.